The Great Pyramid of Egypt is over 4,500 years old. And we still don't fully understand how it was built. No machines, no cranes, no modern technology. Yet somehow, ancient humans moved millions of stone blocks, weighing several tons each. And that's only the beginning. Because hidden deep inside these pyramids, archaeologists discovered strange tunnels, mysterious chambers, and secrets that still make historians uncomfortable today. Some believe the pyramids were tombs. Others think they were something far more terrifying. So, what is the real truth behind Egypt's pyramids? The Great Pyramid of Giza was once the tallest structure on Earth. For nearly 4,000 years. Think about that. Entire civilizations rose and collapsed, while the pyramids continued standing silently in the desert. And here's the crazy part. The Great Pyramid contains around 2.3 million stone blocks, some weighing over 80 tons. Even modern engineers struggle to explain exactly how ancient Egyptians built something this precise. The pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with true north. Its measurements are so accurate. Some people believe the builders possessed knowledge far ahead of their time. But the deeper scientists explored, the stranger things became. Inside the pyramids are narrow tunnels, hidden chambers, and massive granite rooms sealed for thousands of years. Some chambers contain no bodies, no treasure, nothing. Just empty silence. And in 2017, scientists scanning the Great Pyramid discovered a mysterious hidden void above the Grand Gallery. A massive, unknown space. Nobody knows exactly why it exists, or what may still be hidden inside. Imagine discovering a secret chamber inside one of the most famous structures on Earth after thousands of years. What else could still be buried beneath the sand? For years, people believed slaves built the pyramids. But historians now think many workers were actually paid laborers. However, that doesn't mean construction was easy. The work was brutal. Burning heat, exhaustion, heavy stone. Thousands of workers pushing themselves to the limit. Many likely died during construction. And then there's the curse. The so-called Curse of the Pharaohs. A legend claiming anyone who disturbs ancient tombs will suffer death or disaster. After King Tut's tomb was opened in 1922, multiple people connected to the excavation reportedly died unexpectedly. Coincidence? Maybe. But the mystery only made the pyramids more terrifying. And now we enter the most controversial theory of all. Were the pyramids really built by humans alone? Some people believe the precision of the pyramids is too advanced. The stone cuts, the astronomical alignment, the engineering, all impossible according to ancient technology. This led to one of history's biggest conspiracy theories: aliens. Most historians reject this idea completely. But even today, nobody can explain every detail surrounding the pyramids. And that mystery is exactly why the world remains obsessed with them. The pyramids are more than giant tombs. They are symbols of power, ambition, obsession, and humanity's desperate attempt to survive forever. Pharaohs believed these structures could carry them into the afterlife. And thousands of years later, their names are still remembered. That's power. The pyramids survived wars, storms, empires, and time itself. Yet many of their secrets remain locked away beneath the desert sands, waiting to be discovered. Maybe one day we'll finally uncover the pyramid's greatest secret. Or maybe some mysteries were never meant to be solved. The pyramids of Egypt are not just monuments. They are one of humanity's greatest enigmas, and perhaps our greatest warning from the ancient world. What do you think is hidden inside the pyramids? Subscribe to Shadowed History for more dark secrets buried beneath history, because the past is far stranger than fiction.